a little color added to your car's front grille? I will show you how I added a little spark to my front grille by adding a pink pinstripe vinyl and my favorite badge. Let's start on how I added a pinstripe vinyl to my car. I'm going for the S208 look, so I chose cherry blossom pink color for the pinstripe vinyl. Applying vinyl to your car is something that's fun to do, but can be tough to perfect. But patience is key, and you should try to do it slowly. Let me show you how I pinstripe vinyl my front grille. This is the pink vinyl that I used for this project. First things first, a clean car is a must. Then I spray the area using a soapy water mixture. One important tip is not to spray too much soapy water mixture, especially for a thin vinyl like this, because it will just keep sliding and it'll be hard to straighten the vinyl later on. Starting at the edge, I slowly remove the vinyl from the backing, working slowly until I reach the other end. Try to keep the vinyl backing while applying the vinyl, which will keep the dust and fingerprints from touching the vinyl adhesive. While applying, slowly adjust the vinyl until you see that all the bubbles disappear and that the vinyl is in its proper position. This is the finished look, and you can see how it transformed the look of the car already. Now it's time for installing a badge on your front grille. For this project, I'm doing the S208 transformation, but you can put whatever badge you want or the look you desire. This particular badge only came with an adhesive, so to hold it securely, I just used a 3M tape. For a more secure hold, some badges come with brackets. Also, another tip is measure the badge and where you want to place it on the grille so you have an even look and not crooked. First is attach the badge gently on the front grille with a foam and transparent tape on it. Slowly remove the front transparent tape first, then the thin foam. If you're looking for a quick and easy transformation, this is just the fastest way to add a badge without removing the grille. I've tested it long enough that I did not have any issues with the badge or the tape repositioning or peeling off. Here's the final product, and I hope you like the new look.